she mothered Slasian Royale for
Oh,
sure.
yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
Guys, let's welcome to the show, Brigading!
Ding, 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 ding. Oh, what?
Hi.
A pleasure to have you here. Buti naman, pinaunlakan mo ang aming
Gumising.
Good morning everyone. Maraming salamat for having me as well.
Just go, what an honor for such a drag race obsessed show
Yes.
to have
It's
you.
great. Like, we have to stop ourselves sometimes because
Wala na. Parang drag
Naging
race review show na
naging
yung
review show.
Totoo. Kaya wala
ano
yung
ba? Ba't ayaw
mic.
nilang pag-say?
Mike, okay, I have to say, Brigading is also kind of, sort of, my drag mother.
Yes.
Kind of like
Sort of, kind of like,
Kinda.
'cause I did,
Godmother.
yes, because I did a drag show during the pandemic. I
A
had to
role.
learn how to play a drag queen, so I was like, Briggs, because she was in Cornerstone with me before. I was like, can you please help me out? I need to learn how to walk in heels. I need to learn how to put on the makeup, although we didn't really do much of that. But like, just to embody that whole character. Can you tell us more about how you created Brigading?
I think 12 years ago when I was like finding myself, parang humanap ako ng trabaho or an art form na may express ko yung sarili ko.
Okay.
I like makeup. I like to perform on stage. I was doing theater from high school to college. Tapos, mahilig akong pumarty.
Oh.
So when I found drag, when I saw a drag queen, I was like, kaya kong gawin yan.
Sino? Sinakita mo?
Her name is Shu Bagets. Hindi na siya nagpe-perform
okay.
ngayon eh. Pero when I saw her perform, parang siya talaga yung kumakanta.
Timeline-wise, may drag race na nun?
Wala pang, may Drag Race US na.
Yes.
Pero wala pang
Early,
other
ano pa yun?
franchise.
Pero
Drag
were
Race.
you a fan of the show?
Not yet.
Not
Mas
yet.
nauna kong
Si
nakapanood
Shu.
ng live drag show
Oh.
than Drag Race US.
Okay.
So hindi ko
That's so
in-expect na kasi
interesting.
parang sobrang layo ng US na
Right.
in-expect ko bang magkakaroon dito.
Tsaka
And
dati hindi pa easily
Hindi naman kasi siya
accessible yung show.
okay, parang it was like a
Gumimik
cult
talaga.
classic, di ba?
parang nasa VCD pa nga siya pinapanood. Pirated VCD pa siya pinapanood yung mga
Ito naman, huwag mo na sabihin
Bootleg,
yun.
bootleg.
Nabubuking tayo.
before ha nila. So
O nga,
yun.
Betamax.
Grabe,
Mas luma sa VHS.
Okay.
Yeah, pero kasi like, ako like, I super love the arc, the redemption arc. Kasi parang like, di ba, like usually, it's very giving Pia Wurtz back. This Pia, like 3 times siya sumali bago siya nanalo, tapos went home to win the crown. So, very, very that, di ba? Yung parang, tell us the ups and downs. Kasi di ba, if you watch Slasian Royale, you were saying na parang going into your first season, parang you were one of the more known queens.
Yes.
So you kind of expected that you would do very well. So when you didn't, parang medyo nalugmok ka, and then until the success story that happened after that. Can you quickly like go through the different highs and lows of that
Kasi nung
journey?
before yung Drag Race Philippines, I was like going places. Like
Right.
pupunta ako ng US, ng UK, like mga cities in Asia para mag-perform in drag.
Ooh, okay.
So nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, nawala lahat. So parang that was my first heartbreak.
okay.
And then after that, bumalik tong nagkaroon ng Drag Race. So nung nag-Drag Race naman ako, syempre yung expectation ng mga tao sa akin before the pandemic was still there. So parang Brigading, join, ikaw na yan,
Right.
kaya mo yan. So parang na-feed yung ego ko na, okay, I got this. Na hindi ko masyadong napag-preparan yung show. Hindi ko rin masyadong napag-aralan, okay, so this is a different kind of gig. Hindi to magpe-perform lang at magkukuha ng tips at mag-hi, hello at aura after,
It's
bubuking
TV.
after.
Oo.
All right, so I don't know. This is like a full-on fast forward, but you performed next to your drag sister for the finale. How was that feeling? Performing versus someone you loved, a family member basically, Vinyas.
Well, actually, mas masaya. Mas masaya siya kasi hindi ko in-expect na magiging ganun yung story naming mag-sister. Naaabot kami talaga
Final
sa
two.
dulo. Kasi pinaka nakakatakot is kung sinong may iwanan.
That's
diba?
true.
Kung sino yung mauuna, parang hindi mo alam, ako ba? Gusto ko bang ako yun at matalo ko siya? Or gusto ko bang matalo niya ako?
Did you honestly think at that point na wala nang talo? Panalo na tayo regardless because we both made it to the final 2.
Nung dalawa na kami
Oo.
mag-lip sync battle, wala na, todo na to. Parang, this is just a show. Gagalingan na lang natin. Number na natin tong dalawa. Kasi kapag
Bahala
siya
na kung
nanalo,
sino
panalo
manalo.
na ako. Pag,
Right.
pag ako ang nanalo, panalo na rin siya. Like what happened in season 1. When Precious won, we both won as well.
Grabe
but
yung
that's
sisterhood
nice.
yung tatlo.
Oo.
Sobra.
And we're manifesting a crown for Vinyas.
Of
Because
course,
that's gonna
yes.
happen.
Oo.
Not maybe not in the Philippines, maybe internationally, who knows? I mean,
She's like
that's
your
what we're
bunso,
betting
diba?
on.
Sa
Yes,
inyong
siya yung
tatlo.
youngest naming tatlo.
Pero when did you form the Divine Divas ba?
During the pandemic. Doon namin siya nabuo kasi nga nawalan kami ng shows eh. So kami ngayon, humanap kami ng platform and then we found Facebook Live. So doon kami nagsishow virtually, tapos gumagawa kami ng mga concept shows namin, tatlo lang kami, tapos nangihingi kami ng tips. Yun yung naging livelihood namin nung pandemic for 2 years before
Galing.
pandemic. Before Drag Race.
Okay, we were literally talking about this earlier before you guys arrived. I was asking Hazel, sabi ko, how does this work? This whole drag mother thing. Like, do you just decide na, okay, I'm going to be a drag mother, and then do you announce it somewhere na, okay, who needs a mother? Sino ba mga gusto maging drag?
Wanted,
How does it
Junakis,
work?
ganon.
I'm literally fascinated by the whole concept. Kasi, how do you become one? Do you just want to and you do it?
I think nang nahanap ko siya, nung natalo ako ng Drag Race, sabi ko, I think I have to do something else more than performing. Doon ko nahanap yung parang purpose ko na I have to share what I have, what I know, what happened to me on the show. Parang ayoko nang may gustong sumali ng Drag Race at hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Parang ganun. So,
Maganda, parang naging emotional support din sila while you were going through that,
yes,
diba?
yes. Una, kailangan ko talaga ng PA. Unang-una, kailangan ko talaga ng assistant kasi bumigat yung
That's
trabaho.
true, that's
Kailangan
true.
Dumami racket.
Dumami yung
Oo.
racket. Pero sabi ko, mas kailangan ko ng drag daughter. Mas gusto kong itrato yung assistant ko as my family para yung care mas natural. So, inalagaan ako ni Zimba, my first drag daughter, which
Here
is
in the
here.
back.
Oh, wait,
Zimba
no?
Hi!
Si Elfie?
Yes!
Oo nga,
Si Elfie?
Here in the booth.
Paano yun? Kunyari maging drag daughter mo siya, no? Eh, paano kung may iba na siyang name, kailangan siya pa rin maging Ding? Is that
Not
how this
necessarily.
works? How does
Hindi
that
naman-
work?
Hindi naman nalilimit dun sa pangalan or apelido yung ano eh. Parang mas
Kasi ba kahit sa
talagang-
States, ganun, magkapagka
From the house of abundance, parang gano'n.
Oo.
Pero kasi sa ibang bansa, yung mga ganyan, pagka nagkawatak na kayo, tinatanggal din yung apelido.
Tinatanggal din.
So sa amin, feeling ko, mas natural yung connection na hindi siya na tatay sa pangalan.
So kung si Chico magiging part ng family mo, anong name niya? Walis
Chika Ding.
Ding Ding?
Chika ding.
Chika Ding.
Oo. Or, oo nga, no?
Chika Ding.
Ano nga ba pangalan mo? Kasi we call her Vanilla Luzon eh. Kasi vanilla.
Vanilla Luzon.
Apat na ding. Ding.
Ding.
I don't know. Ang hirap, parang naubos
Oo.
na.
Mahirap din talaga siya. So,
Ano na yung sino yung mga ding? Na may
Zimba Ding,
Zimba Ding.
Bomba Ding,
Bomba Ding.
and Felicia Ding. Yan yung mga drag daughters ko.
Yan
At hindi ko sila hinanap pa. Na-meet ko sila sa mga surprise encounters. Na-meet ko si Zimba nasa call center agency, yung friend ko. Mini-makeupan ko. Tapos lumapit sa akin, I'm a fan, I wanna be a drag queen. Kailangan ko ng PA na sa susunod na gig. You wanna be a drag queen? Prove me. Show up.
Oh, wow!
Nag-show up siya.
Love it.
Yun yung nag-start hanggang sa...
So they just ask.
yeah, they asked.
Okay. You can be very cryptic about this. Paano kunyari gusto niya maging drag daughter? Hindi mo siya bet.
Wale, gano'n.
Hindi, lahat naman sila na put to test eh.
Okay.
So merong ganong parang
Oo, may-
probationary
You'll give
period.
them an equal parang chance.
Oo,
gano'n.
lahat naman merong chance. Pero
Okay.
kasi mararamdaman mo rin eh. Hindi naman porket gusto, papayag ka
Yun
na.
nga, that's what I was
Correct.
thinking. Kasi
Oo.
minsan
So,
di kayo
itetest mo
vibe.
rin
Oo.
yung-
Paano kung iswak sa family
Yung
nyo na?
attitude,
Oo.
energy. Yan, so invite ko sa bahay, bonding.
So have you
kakain.
ever na gusto niya tapos you have to tell them na
Wala
Alam
pa
mo,
naman.
parang
Wala pa
okay.
naman akong nabigyan ng chance na hindi naman
na parang
na-pursue.
okay, that's
So,
good.
you live in one house.
Yes, pero yung isa hindi sa amin nakatira kasi still living with family. But
Okay.
Zimba and Bomba is living with me.
Oh, wow. Okay. So talaga parang
So,
family
so
talaga.
share ka rin sa rent, sa expenses sa bahay. So,
Oh, wow.
parang talaga kaming family.
Parang
Kaming nasa
family
post.
talaga.
Like House
Yan,
of
we were saying nga,
Nasa
parang
House
sa
of
post.
Ding, like
Oo.
diba?
Oo.
They were also telling me even here in the Philippines may mga ganon din eh. Ballroom
Right.
scene.
Oo.
So they also have their houses there. Do you ever perform in ballroom with your
Not yet. Hindi
Family?
pa namin pero si Zimba and Bomba, part sila ng ballroom community.
Oh.
Pero as a house, hindi pa kami pumasok dun sa...
okay.
It's such a beautiful culture, no? Yung chosen family talaga.
Yeah.
Yun yung hina-harness namin. Talagang pinapagalitan ko. Sila ang naghuhugas ng plato, sila taga-walis, ganyan.
Okay. Itong tanong. Would you ever join an international version of RuPaul's Drag Race.
All winners!
All winners.
Oh my gosh, kung may invite ako, go ko talaga.
Oo naman, di
Oo
ba?
naman.
Can you imagine all the
Oo.
winners? Tapos parang
Ibang
haba
level
ng
yung
hair.
binigay na na confidence nitong
Itong
yung Station
station.
Real. Which is in a good way naman, oo.
This has always fascinated me. Kasi di ba, parang meron na kayong mga dala di ba, when you enter. Parang how does it work? Na parang, syempre ikaw, you have an image of, before you go there, kung ano yung mga, nako, ang pack nitong outfit kong to. And then, tapos yung parang, yung when you get there and you see what other queens have brought and you're like, oh crap, dapat ginalingan ko palalo. Like, what happens? Paano kunyari parang na-realize mo medyo kulang yung dinala mo or hindi as fantastic?
I think yan yung mindset this time. Kasi ganyan yung mindset
Nung
nung
first
first season.
time.
Oo, you always compare yourself to,
To
others. So before runway pa lang, meron ka ng hesitation sa bit-bit mo. So nakikita ng judges yun that you're not really confident and
Parang
proud
like,
of
ang
what
ganda
you
nung kay
brought.
ano, ang ganda nung kay
Oo.
ano.
Inuunahan mo na silang mag-judge before sila yung gumawa para sa'yo. So this time, hindi. Ito yung dala ko. I know what I'm wearing. This
Yeah.
is who I am.
Bahala na kung anong dala
Proud
nyo.
ka na ganyan.
Yung vibe din talaga nakukuha nila
Bahala kayo. You will eat this.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ay, we ate up all
We
your
ate it.
looks.
And
Pinag-usapan namin
to be
dito.
fair,
Speaking of
Ganda.
pride,
Grabe
a
yung
little
look.
bit of tea. Atisa made it the top 30.
Hala, ito na!
Yay!
It's happening. While we're on radio, it's all happening.
Sige, pagkatapos
But
na
you
show,
can just
manonood tayo.
watch the replay na lang because, hello, we've got Del, we've got Brigading, we've got the Queens.
Crazy.
I'm not Del. I'm Della Ginding.
Oo nga! Meron ka ng drag daughter. Elegant.
gosh.
Dalaganding.
Wala pa tayo. Ako sa si Arimun.
Arimunding.
Arimunding.
Ang lola. Ang lola nung arimunding-munding.
Para mas maganda yung deleginding din.
Ang ganda ng deleginding.
Sige, ako si Ang Bato.
Ang bato ding.
Ang bato.
Ako naman si Dua Peneding?
Uy, ano daw?
Sino? Ano?
Ito sasabi mo. Uy,
Sino yun?
kuminahong ka
I
na
don't know.
dyan.
Like we were looking for names, diba?
Yeah.
I was like trying to figure out what my drag name was because like I had to play a character, so I had to figure out what my drag name was. So I think MC and I were coming up with names, and I was like, who is your favorite icon singer? Dua Lipa. So Dua Penetration.
Marky, there is a child in the booth.
Pwede. Maganda.
Yan
Yeah.
tuloy.
Penny.
Penetration.
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 Ay,
Penetration.
meron yun, di ba? Si Penetration.
Meron.
Meron. Drag queen.
May drag queen na.
Penetration. May ganun naman.
Gosh.
Because I'm penetrating the drag market.
Yes.
That's
yes,
true.
Diba?
yes.
So that's why.
Nung Station Royale, when you saw the international queens, kasi syempre iba atake, di mo na, yung mga local queens, you all know each other, right? Pero yung international queens, meron ba na unang kita pa lang you were like, oh, she's gonna be competition.
Well, meron una pa lang, alam ko nang hindi siya competition.
Actually, nakakatawa. Hinihintay ko lang answerin ni Brigading. Pero my follow-up question would have been, can I ask the opposite? Na parang, when you first saw who the Philippine queens were up against, were you like, we got this?
Sino nga yung sino nagsabi yung, may dala na siyang mali.
Oo.
Si Madam Yoko. Oo.
Kasi kami, to be honest, no shade. Like, for like, us viewers, when we first saw it, and you know how like, di ba, Philippines, di ba, very maganyan tayo mga Filipinos. Pero ito, tanggalin mo yon just as fans of the franchise. Talagang ramdam namin na like, kawawa naman yung kasi ang gagaling nyo. I mean, not because you're our guest, pero like, makikita mo talaga from the first
Sobra.
couple of challenges. You could see kumbaga sa dagat, yung thermocline. Kita mo ito yung Philippine Queens, tas ito yung international. So medyo parang, to the point na feeling nga namin, ang unfair. Kasi,
Parang
Ang unfair nung
Avengers
casting.
yung
Ang
ano.
Kasi
Kasi kung
parang ang
inoperan
galing
ka,
nyo
di ba?
eh.
Parang, ba't ka umuo? kung hindi ka ready or kung hindi ka
True.
talaga
Kasi you guys were really, and not because you're Filipinos. Talagang kita mo talaga yung
Drag
difference
excellence
nung-
talaga.
All 5 of you.
Yeah, yeah.
We were so proud. All of us. Every single
I
day
think
we were
kahit
like,
sinong Filipino queens yung ilagay doon, talagang ipaglalaban talaga natin.
Yeah.
Ganyan naman tayo mga Pilipino.
My
eh.
fear nga was, baka sabihin nila, luto, kasi dito ginawa, tapos,
Pero
kasi
hindi mo
feeling
pwedeng
ko parang,
sabihin.
kayo yung final.
Correct.
Tanggal lahat, tapos
Oo.
matitira puro Filipino.
although Suki doll was really good.
Oh, yeah.
I
yeah.
found her very, very good. And si ano din, si
Yuha.
Yuha.
Si Yuwa, so funny.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
Also, I really liked si Belgique. Or no,
Si-
Paris pala.
Si Kitty Space.
Kitty Space. I like Kitty Space as well. So, it was a good cast.
So, sino nga yung wale? Sabi mo.
Huwag natin pangalanan.
Oh, sige,
I think
sige,
mag-agree naman. Ilan lang naman sila.
Sige.
Manghula na lang.
Wala na kayo.
Blind
Oo,
item
oo,
na lang.
oo.
So, like, where do you see parang drag? Kasi di ba parang ano, when it comes to public opinion, napaka volatile nung, alam mo yun, yung there was a time parang from parang taboo siya, naging sobrang putok naman. Tapos medyo recently, medyo merong bigwas ulit na very conservative na naman. So, nagpa-fluctuate yung support, yung acceptance, and it goes back and forth. Where do you see this going?
I think kailangan
As
lang
part
natin
of the
ng
community.
Oo, I think kailangan lang natin ng mas maraming support, especially like yung mga ganitong platforms, mas napapakinggan yung mga kwento ng mga queens kasi hindi naman lahat napapanood yung Drag Race or yung mga shows. Pero when we see more drag queens sa mga events, sa mga ganitong platforms, sa mga commercials, may mga queens na tayo sa mga commercials, may mga gumagawa na ng kanta, may mga nagko-concert. So yun, mas marami yung awareness natin sa drag in general. And I think hindi naman tayo hindi na to hihinto. Siguro nagpapahinga lang ng konti kasi naman pag may competition talagang buhay na
Ay,
buhay talaga
oo.
eh. Pero nagkaano lang yan, nagpe-prepare lang kasi medyo mahal din naman kasi yung mga tickets, 'di ba, to the shows.
Right.
So, pero ganun talaga, kailangan lang nating ipagpatuloy yung support natin.
Speaking of mahal, notorious to, di ba, in the Drag Race world, na pag yung package mo, talagang bonggang gastos to do a season of Drag Race. Like, gano'ng
Ballpark.
kamahal?
Ballpark.
Oo. For like, kunyari yung talagang gusto mo na very pack yung lahat ng outfits mo.
Well, kasi Drag Race will change your life forever.
So, parang puhunan.
invest ko talaga
Correct.
lahat. As
Oo.
in, umabot ng more than 7 digits.
7 digits!
Wow.
Wait.
Well, kasi that includes content after.
Alright, yung
So
mga...
preparation,
oo,
and hindi lang
photoshoot
siya pwedeng
pati.
isang maliit na team yung gagawa eh. This is international level.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So kailangan yung utak na nagtutulong-tulong, madami yung gumagawa ng mga gamit mo. Kailangan professional, they know what they're doing. Ayaw mong ma-stress, you only have few weeks to prepare. So hindi mo na igagamble, 'di ba?
Gano'ng kalaki yung difference nung season 1 preparation sa Slation Royale preparation?
Sobrang grabe. Kasi dati pandemic pa yan eh. In the middle of the pandemic
Yeah.
So hindi, tapos first time mo. So wala kang blueprint kung paano siya ginagawa. So doon hindi mo alam kung pwede pa talagang magkwento o hindi. Kasi even sa
Totoo.
designers, hindi mo mabanggit kung anong gagawin mo.
Right.
Ngayon, banggitin mo lang sa designer, yes, let's do that. Kasi alam na nila yung
Basta alam namin, Pat's
platform
turn.
yun eh. Oo.
For example, yung mga designers, do they offer their services for free?
Promo?
Or are there moments where you have to actually pay a little bit or a
Oo, may
small
ganun,
lump sum?
May ganun talaga. Depende sa designer. Kapag mas kailangan nila yung platform or they really support you and love you or nadadaan sa friendship. Pero may mga designer talagang sila lang kasi yung may kayang gumawa nung gusto mong mangyari.
Yeah.
Talagang
So, anong mas mahal? Season 1 or nung na-establish ka na?
I think itong stationery.
Okay, because you went all out.
O, kita
you
naman
did.
with the looks. I mean,
Gorgeous.
yung bato look.
Oo.
ano,
Hindi mo na pwedeng tipirin
Favorite
yan.
ni
Ayaw mo na
Hazel
magkamali.
Oo.
Kasi looks na lang yung huling magsisave
Right.
sa'yo. Lalo, magkaiba yung, diba, yung sistema. Hindi siya lip sync for your life.
Pero hindi mo kailangan ng saving sa
Yes.
Slation. Kasi you slate every
O sige,
week.
ito. Like, di ba, I mean, ito like, answer as honestly as you can. You know, like, I'm pretty sure when you join, syempre, you're rooting for yourself, di ba? Pero yung unang pasok mo doon and you're like, who did you think would win?
Hindi
Yung
ko-
ano lang, yung parang like, si ano to?
Wala.
Parang ganun. Talaga, wala?
Hindi ko iniisip na ako yung mananalo, pero wala
Okay.
akong nakikitang
Na
ibang
parang,
mananalo
that's...
than me.
Okay.
Parang
Sino na lang
ganon.
yung nakita mong parang,
Second place.
oo.
Well, after me is Venus Deluxe,
Venus,
of
of
course.
course.
Kasi I know, yun yung may, alam ko kung ano mga
Right.
pakulo at pasabog
Ah.
niya. Pero, threat si Arizona. Kasi I don't know kung anong i-prepare niyang...
Oh, that's
Threat
Saka
din si
runner-up din
Arizona.
kasi from her
At
season.
magaling
And
din si
Kiana
Arizona.
when it comes to lip sync.
Right. Kung magiging lip sync for your life
Oo,
din,
oo.
no?
Eh, hindi namin
Pero
talaga alam
hindi.
kung anong format eh. So, talagang ipe-prepare mo na lang yung sarili mo sa lahat ng ng aspect para hindi ka mapunta sa bottom.
May ano ba talaga? Is there really like this sort of pressure? Kasi 'di ba like especially with yung mga recent seasons, remember that list that they came out with yung sa IMDb, yung parang pinakamatataas na approval rating,
Yeah,
yung mga
yeah.
Drag Race
Ratings.
Philippines.
Mm-mm.
Parang ang taas ng expectations pag Philippines na like does that
Alam mo, hindi mo na siya maiisip.
talaga?
Mape-pressure ka na lang sa competition for yourself para sa investment mo. Pero yung
Kasi grabe yung
how they see
reviews,
the
ha?
show,
They
hindi mo na maiisip.
Also, I have one question. Sa Snatch Game, gaano katagal ang preparation mo before taking on a character like that? Do you have like a coach or do you just create it by yourself? Research?
Nights talaga. Like,
Wow.
couple of nights and then nag-invite ako ng mga friends. Si Tita Baby was there.
Para yung material kung...
Oo, i-improve yung material. May mga writers, may mga creative writers.
Ang
na,
galing nung
How do we
ma-realize
do
ako.
this? Ganito, ganyan.
Oo.
May mga from the agency.
Ay, talaga.
Ganon. Oo.
Career.
Oo, career talaga. Kasi syempre,
And especially because, di ba gusto mo, sinabi mo sa show, yun yung gusto mo talagang bumawi eh. Na challenge. Which you did.
yeah, yeah.
And interestingly enough, we invited you here after you came and watched the Wicked premiere,
Oh, yes.
di ba?
Yes,
Kasi nakita ka namin ni Chico, and you wanted a photo. Kasi hindi naman kami dumaan na dun sa side mo nung tapos na kami mag-host.
Can I tell my brigading story?
Yes, ako din.
sige.
I'll tell my brigading
Okay.
story.
Alam mo, may story ako about
Okay,
you.
story mo.
Dami namin
Ay,
stories,
nag-story
di
na
ba?
siya kanina.
Okay, nag-story na ako. Tapos na ako sa story. So sila.
One of my parang first hostings after the pandemic. So, syempre stressed ka, di ba? Like, one of the first. So, todo face shield tayo and everything. So, I hosted a party. And then, yung performer nila, the Queens. And this was right after your season. Kaka-finale nyo nun. Tapos, edi, syempre, host. Di ba? So, I was like, okay.
So, blind item yung ibang queens.
Wag na. Tapos, sabi ko, okay, and now the drag queens, drag race. Tapos, pasok silang lahat. So, syempre, super understand. Kasi syempre, you're there to perform, right? So, everyone was like looking out into the crowd nung nag-enter kayo isa-isa and everything. Si Brigading lang yung tumingin sa akin, sabi, hi, thank you. And then, saka siya nag-perform. Tapos, kinakwento ko sila, ang bait niya.
Actually, right after the gig, yun yung kwento niya the next day.
Like, hindi naman masungit yung iba. It's just that, of course, they were busy with their performance.
Pero
diba?
yung you took the
You
time
took the time to like say hi
Yeah.
and we don't know each other. So alam mo yun, yung parang just to say hi to the host and like, okay.
That's a true queen.
Totoo.
Napaka-sweet.
And I told them agad
Kindness.
afterwards na,
Thank
ang bait-bait ni Brigitte.
Ako yung brigading story ko. Dapat sasali siya dun sa TMR.
Oh, I love
matchmaking,
her!
Ayun pala yun.
Whatever, ng
Story niya pala yun.
RX. This was during the pandemic. So, siguro pre-drag race to. Tapos, si Marky was like, ito si Brigading kasi we wanted to make our version very LGBT friendly, diba? So, okay, si Brigading, ganyan. Tapos nag-usap kami sa phone kasi ito si Brigading was like, uy, pero very femme, ganyan. Kasi yung mga iba pang mga Borta boys na diba? Sabi ko, okay yan, sige na, ganyan. O sige, so G na siya, napapayag na namin siya. Tapos the next day, hindi siya nagising. Nag-message siya, I'm so sorry. Hindi ako
At least honest.
honest.
At least honest.
Honest.
Ako yun, hindi ka na
Honest.
nagpanggap.
Kasi pandemic,
Oo.
diba?
Pero
Stress
gets
tayo
naman.
nun eh.
Oo.
Stress tayo.
Pero sabi ko sayang naman. Tapos lalo na nang nalaman namin na nasa Drag Race Season 1 ka. Sabi na, oy sayang, we could have had Brigading on the show before.
Pero
Yeah.
maganda, kinuwento to ni Hazel a bit earlier on nung pagdating ni Brigading. Hindi niya sinabi yung actual reaction niya. Sabi niya, naku, baka may booking.
Oo, sabi ko nga, dating show pa naman. Baka may
Ayaw
booking
nga.
na nung gabi.
Oo,
Hindi
kaya
na
hindi
kailangan ng
nagising.
dating show.
Tuloy.
Oo, di niya kailangan. Oo. No, I brought up the Wicked thing kasi your drag daughter was Elphaba in their Snatch Game.
Yes!
Yun,
Oo
that
nga pala.
episode.
She won that episode.
She won that episode.
Fantastic.
So it was great to see them there supporting and watching the show and at the RX premiere.
And when I think of you as Glinda. Kasi very Glinda yung
Blonde girl.
diba? Very pink.
And if you think of Zimba, very green.
So, nagsabi
Oo.
Char lang.
Pero
Hindi,
like,
pero diba?
you said, di ba na, when you first watched the, hindi ka pa into Drag Race.
Mm-mm.
So, how was your entry into that world? Like, kasi ako, I remember, sila, they were already into it. They would talk about it all the time. So, ito na naman sila. Wala man ako naintindihan, wala man akong kilala dito. And I had to binge watch. Kasi like Hazel would tell me which season to watch first. Okay. Oh, tapos ko na. Ano ang next? Oh, ito naman. Tapos pag pa-jump. Ikaw, because nga sabi mo, meron ng Drag Race pero you didn't watch it. Did you end up watching all of the seasons?
Yes. Pero nag-start ako season 3 na.
Ako din.
Ay,
That was,
babe.
the
That was
time
my
ni
first
Manila
season.
Luzon.
Kay Manila.
Oo. Siguro doon nag-start mag-pick up yung yung Drag Race sa
No,
Philippines.
actually I watched season 4 pala first, and then I went and watched 3 after. This was because my best friend, she passed away a few years ago. She was like, "You have to watch this with me." I was in Hong Kong, heartbroken. She's like, "You want a pick me up? Let's watch this." I was like, "I don't want to watch." And then she put it on, and I was like hooked at the edge of my seat. And now my brother, he's a rugby player. His entire team, he's a volcano. They watch Drag Race too.
Totoo.
These are like
Yeah.
full on like brusco men
Yes.
watching Drag and
It's for
loving
everyone.
it. It's for everyone.
It's for
It's just so much fun. It's so camp. It's just
It's an
fun to
art
watch. It's an
that's
art
so
form.
fun to watch. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good experience to watch it, lalo na pag with friends.
Diba?
Lalo sa mga viewing parties, grabe
oo, ang
talaga.
saya-saya.
As in, parang ito na yung bagong Miss Universe, bagong boxing
Correct.
match.
Oh, sige, ito, since on Twitter, ang dami mo talagang mababasa na mga situations, comments. O sige, for those who are new to the scene, tapos manonood sila ng drag show live, ano yung mga do's and don'ts that they should do?
Ay.
Well, unang-una, don't touch the drag queens.
See, not a lot of people know that.
Right.
Akala nila pwedeng, you know what I
Oo,
mean?
kasi
Like,
very, naman
Yeah,
kami, very relaxed and naman kami.
wait for them. Kunyari, gaganon sila sa'yo, you wait for them to do that.
Kami pwede kaming humawak
Yes,
or like with consent naman
Of course, of course.
Pero yung mga tao kasi minsan sobrang feeling close or sobrang excited and sobrang
Right.
happy nila. Dapat kahit tayo, kapag may nakita tayong idol natin, gusto natin i-grab or gusto natin yakapin, mag-show ng love. Sa mga queens, hindi pwede kasi mahirap po yung pinagdadaanan namin. Naka-wig kami, may suot kaming breast pads, naka-corset kami, naka-hip pads kami, naka-stockings na 3. So, yun pa lang, we're in pain already. So, kapag ka ginagrab kami or niyayakap ng sobrang higpit or nihahawakan yung buhok, syempre, medyo nakaka-ike siya.
And it's like it's a scary thing. Like I know she's not a drag queen, but diba Ariana felt the same way
Right.
when
Yeah.
some
Premiere.
random fan jumped onto the yellow carpet and tried to touch her. Don't touch
Yeah.
them.
So, really appreciate kapag kayong mga fans is like, nagtatanong, pwede ka ba namin yakapin? Pwede ka ba namin hawakan yung kamay
Pag mga
mo?
meet and
Oo,
greet,
oo.
especially, diba?
Well,
Yeah.
usually naman, kami naman yung unang
Kayo na
mahawak
yung
ng
mag-ano.
kamay, kami naman yung nag-hug kapag ka very comfortable or it's time to do that. Ganun. Pero minsan kasi, di ba, nasa zone ka ng performance mo,
Right.
tapos may makasalubong kang tao, talagang bigla kang guguluhin or shake ka.
Right,
Yung mga
right.
ganun lang na, na
Tsaka,
chances.
may nakikita ko yung iba nag-viral, yung they try to perform also. Yung parang nangaagaw ng attention.
Yes, yung parang upstage.
Nagbibida-bida.
Oo, or
Oo.
aakyat ng stage.
Right.
Siyempre, sacred sa amin yung
Oo,
stage na yan
oo.
because that's where we perform.
So that's a big no-no.
Big no-no.
Mm-mm.
And of course, syempre, tip your queens.
Yeah.
You know, always, kung hindi mo mabibigyan ng tip, share good energy. Cheer, sing along.
Oh, when
Or
it comes to tipping, 'di ba? Kasi a lot of people, kunyari first time, they don't know. Paano ba? Ano ba yung may minimum ba? Nakakahiya ba to tip this amount? Or
Well, wala namang minimum.
Wala,
Pero good amount yung 100 pesos,
Right.
500, or kapag 1,000, masayang-masaya na
Correct.
yan.
Tsaka
Yun.
wag gurami.
Anong gurami?
Ba-
Diba yung lukot-lukot na mukha. Yung
Alam
binili-
mo, okay lang.
Yung sinusukli sa
kung
palengke.
lukot na 1K, akin na.
Kung lukot na 1K, okay lang,
Oo,
ha?
tama.
Tinatawag nila doon
Minsan
gurami.
kasi binabato pa yun eh. Binabato sa stage
Akala
pag
ko
hindi
gurami
maabot.
barya.
Hindi, pag yung
okay.
kunyari sa jeep or sa palengke, yung alam mo yung
Maduming
dinukot-lukot
pera.
na mabantot na
Oo.
yung pera.
Ay, ko na,
Tawag nila
pera pa rin
gurami.
yun, girl.
Well, take note. Don't deposit it in the machine. Like if you're depositing money,
Hindi tatanggapin.
hindi tatanggapin. I tried
Kailangan
to
sa bank na mismo.
yeah, straight to the bank.
Okay.
What about that, remember we talked about this, yung merong content creator na kukunin niya yung reaction ng drag queens by calling their government names
Yes,
Ay,
si
oo.
Stephanie Prince yata to.
or something.
Sa drag con.
Yeah. What's
Okay,
your
sa
ano
akin
on that?
okay lang. Sa akin okay lang.
Say it's okay.
Siguro concern siya nung iba kapag maybe hindi na yun yung
Yung-
gusto nilang ma-address as.
Although, tsaka fellow queen kasi si, di ba? So, medyo, pero paano kung hindi naman queen? Alam mo, hindi mo kilala.
So,
ganun.
siguro yung may ano
Medyo
lang,
weird,
oo,
no?
medyo weird lang na parang, why do you know my
Parang
name?
bakit?
And I feel like some people would find it more, parang would make it a little more touchy than others, yung topic na yon, diba? Parang, yung
Kasi
iba okay
sensitive,
lang, yung
diba?
iba
Ayaw na
masensitive.
nga nila nung name
Oo,
nila, may
totoo.
memory sila dun with
Right.
that name.
Hey, that's awesome. So, is one of your daughters gonna join another season of Drag Race? I know you can't share it with us, but do you think that they really want to join a future
We're
season?
still thinking about it, pero wala pa naman ding announcement or anything. Pero lahat sila, meron sila mga ginagawa for themselves.
Si Mother bang magde-decide kung sino
Actually,
mauuna
sila.
or sila?
Sila.
Sila.
When Zimba approached me a year after working with me, she said na gusto ko talaga mag-drag race. Are you ready? Okay. Dahil gusto niya, okay, I will support you. Kasi siya yung may gusto, hindi ako yung nagpa-push sa kanya.
Hindi
And
yung stage mom na, sige na,
oo. And
mag-ano
then
ka na.
we supported her.
Kasi I think very interesting kung sumali si Bomba Ding.
Mm-mm.
Kasi it's a very different look to a lot of the other drag queens
Unique
that you
na
have in the
agad.
Philippines.
Correct.
Yes. And or around the world. Like,
Yeah.
I don't think there's anyone that, well, Danny Beard, but not really.
Oo.
Not really.
True.
Okay, let's manifest. Kasi 'di ba like, some queens, the international queens, talagang grabe yung the success. Like Jinx is now like a Broadway star,
Right, yeah.
and like lead. Hindi lang yung minor character, talagang nagli-lead siya, 'di ba? If it were up to you, what would be like yung magiging parang tugatog ng tagumpay for you? Na what would you like to do na eventually? Do you want to have a movie, a Broadway show, a concert na international?
Gusto ko rin magkaroon ng sariling solo show. Like a one-woman show. I wanna do theater. I wanna go back to theater and ipag-crossover ko yung drag and theater. May story naman ako na gusto ikwento So, kailangan lang siyang isulat, work with other creatives. So, yun yung gusto kong gawin. Pero I think practice muna and also like preparation kasi syempre serious stuff yan and investment din yan. And
It's
I really,
rehearsals. Lots of rehearsals.
Yan. So, ibang ano na siya, hindi lang siya yung
Ibang level na siya.
ibang level na siya and yun yung gusto natin puntahan.
But I hear you're doing a showcase this weekend.
Yes,
Ah.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Saturday and Sunday, it's Between Maningning, my Drag Race Philippines Station Royale Fashion Showcase. So, i-exhibit ko yung 30 to 40 looks that I brought on the show. And may mga memorabilia from the show, from season 1. And it's a celebration with the creatives, collaborators, designers na tumulong sa akin dun sa buong journey ko.
Where will this be held?
This is gonna be in Doña Narcisa Ancestral House in Quezon City.
Tapos, how do they
Get tickets?
Get tickets are online sa betweenmaningning.veent, veent.net.
veent.net?
Mm.
Okay.
Tickets are still available. 2 days siya. So, tomorrow from 7 p.m. to 12 midnight and then on Sunday from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight.
Wow.
I will be there the whole time.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, so-
Guys, punta na kayo.
Why don't we try to see if we can make it?
I
Well,
know,
he
right?
sleeps very early. But let's see.
Doon tayo sa 12 p.m.
So, 1 p.m.
Mga 9 a.m.
Sa
ganun.
opening, ganun.
Oo.
Brunch.
No, baka habang nagsiset up.
Tulong na lang tayo.
Tulong.
Tulog
Oo.
na lang tayo.
You know how we can make this episode even more iconic?
How?
To do a top 10.
Oh, okay.
With Brigading,
With Brigading
and
and
Delamar.
Oh my gosh. O,
Oh
sige.
my gosh. Sige, gawin natin yan.
Pressure.
Let's
And
go.
What's
with
the top 10?
with Atisa
Our portion.
fighting for the Philippines.
She's in the swimsuit competition at the moment, just for everyone. She just finished the swimsuit competition. Her passerella was beautiful, and I'm reading every single one of your comments. Thank you so much for updating
Oh
us.
my God.
And go Philippines!
I know, right?
Go,
sige.
go, Philippines.
Ah, sige,
Top 10.
just
So,
a
join
quick
lang,
ano lang.
ano.
Oo, ano lang to, parang thank you
Chika lang.
JP Good Game. Pageant answers to simple questions. Alam mo yung everyday questions, pero kung sumagot ka, akala mo,
Pageant.
akala mo contestant ka, hindi naman. So here, at random na lang to from the cynical optimist, pag tinanong ka, bagay ba to sa akin? Nasagot mo, before focusing on fit or any aspect of exterior beauty, every woman should first go inside and strengthen that feeling that whatever clothing I put on beauty will emanate because beauty is within.
Ay.
In other words, hindi bagay. In other words, pangit.
Oo, parang inikot ka lang niya, pero ang
ka lang.
dating mo pangit.
Kumbaga, wag mo nang tanungin kasi hindi mo magugustuhan
Oo,
yung sagot.
sagot.
And for Maxim De Winter, extra rice po? Nasasagot ka. Yes, for I believe that supporting our farmers, who are our national treasures, include genuinely enjoying the fruits of their hard work and ensuring nothing goes to waste. I thank you.
Oh.
Let's ask Del. Is Salt Lake City, is there farms? Are there farms over there?
No.
It's not a farming
not
capital.
rice.
Not rice.
Yeah.
No, but in terms of like, I don't know, animals.
Yeah,
Okay.
lots of cows.
Lots of cows.
A lot of those.
Lots of
yeah.
cows.
Nako, favorite ni Hazel yung mga baka.
Ay, yeah, I love them.
Totoo. As in,
Oh, really?
as in
Yung
baka.
totoong bakang
Yeah.
hayop?
As in, may nakita kaming baka, sabi niya, oh,
Hindi,
baka.
ano?
Ano pa naman?
Hindi boko!
Baka!
No,
Kasi hindi may
Hazel.
gatas?
Oh, my God. Oh my God. No, you try Googling Highland cow. They're miniature cows that are actually pets.
Ah.
So, ang cute-cute
Miniature?
nila. Miniature. Sa bahay mo, parang tuta. Look at it, Hazel. I think you'll want one.
Parang
Uwian
Yeah,
mo
sure.
ako.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Uwian mo.
gosh.
Okay.
They're so cute. They're like
Oh.
Mag-uwi ka
dogs.
ng isa.
Sorry, I really like your energy. I'm sorry, I'm staring
Thank
at
you,
you.
thank you,
You're
thank
so
you.
beautiful.
Yes.
Yan yung ano niya talaga.
Totoo, ganyan
Yan talaga.
talaga.
Yung, ano niya.
Superpower
Totoo.
niya.
You have to see him in drag. My gosh, he's gorgeous.
Oh, pagtapos na ako maghugas ng pinggan, papanoorin kita.
Please,
Oh,
please.
yaya all
I'll send you
around
the
ako.
link.
Para
Sige.
ano, no? Para it's like the meeting of reality shows.
Correct.
The Real Housewives.
Drag race!
Drag race.
Ay, ano
Oo.
tayo?
Ano?
Ano tayo?
The Traitors.
Bagay.
The
Pwede.
Traitors. So,
True.
for Mike Ferrer, pag tinanong ka, boss, may pasok ba bukas? Tapos ang sagot mo, yesterday is history. Today is a gift. But tomorrow is a mystery. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. I thank you.
So may pasok.
Meron. In other
short.
words, oo. Meron.
Mag-alarm ka. O, may
I
pasok.
thought you were gonna do the Kung Fu Panda line.
It is.
It is.
Yesterday was a
Ah.
miss.
That's why it's called the present.
Today is a gift. That's why it's called the present.
The
present.
Yeah.
Uwe.
And from
Uguay.
Coco Hernandez, what time is it? Sabihin mo, it's time to pursue our dreams and to be the best version of ourselves.
Oh
And
my
time
gosh.
is gold.
And, and Chinese gold.
Di ba parang may ganyan kayo challenge?
Sa Miss Shoota ka.
Oo, yes.
Well, speaking of outfits, ang bongga ng bench, they supplied the Miss You swimsuits.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Grabe, no?
Naman.
I love how we're doing the top 10 and we're also kind of commenting
Galing nga
on Miss
eh.
Universe.
Di ba?
Ang daming nahihilo na nga. Wala pa kayong bonamin dyan.
This is where my ADHD really helps.
Ako naman eh.
Marky's thriving.
Thriving with all this madness.
Hindi ko naka-fetal position na ako. And from Coco Hernandez, yung tanong, ginusto mo yan, di ba? Tapos ang sagot mo, hindi lahat ng gusto dapat nakukuha. Pero lahat ng nakukuha, dapat grateful ka. I thank you.
Totoo naman.
Totoo naman yun. Maganda
diba?
yun. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you should be grateful for everything that you receive.
Yeah.
And hope for the
Even
best.
the bad stuff?
Because, ika nga
sige.
natin earlier,
Ah.
forged by fire.
Ah, no.
Kaya kung gusto mo kung anong klaseng tao ka today, you thank the good and the bad.
Yeah. And make the bad work for you. You did that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, di ba? I mean, Del, di ba?
Oh,
Aminin
ano?
mo.
Oh.
Oh, kung hindi natin pinagdaanan yung pinagdaanan natin, hindi tayo magiging icon.
Well, kung hindi ko pinagdaanan yung ginaanan kasi season 1, I won't win
Oh,
later. Wow.
Kita mo?
Hazel, when you do this, it means something else now for me.
Stop, Marky.
What does
Work.
it mean?
Stop, Marky. Stop.
Stop, Marky!
Stop.
We'll tell you
Sorry,
off air.
sorry.
We'll tell you off air. It's his fault.
And from the cynical optimist, yung question simple lang eh. Nagluto ka na? Sasagot mo. For two, hindi ginawa na pala natin kanina. Maxim De Winter says, gusto mo Tapos ang sagot mo, I strongly believe that the Lord's plan is more important than my desires. So I put all my trust in Him and only His will be done. I thank you.
Napaka-ano naman natin.
Ah.
Banal-banal.
And the three tops, let's be
Ay.
greedy, comes from Junakis of the Spider-Woman, Coco Hernandez, and Mike Ferrer.
They all say,
So si Junakis of the Spider-Woman goes, what's your favorite color? Sagot mo, I believe that we shouldn't discriminate because every color, every hue is represented
by me and you.
I thank you.
Take a look at the...
Very Riot
Oh my
Wednesday yun.
gosh,
Very
oo.
Riot Wednesday. From Coco Hernandez, where na you, sagot mo, I'm in a place where I realize that the journey is more important than the destination. If we could all appreciate the path, then we won't lose the lessons it gives us. Ibig sabihin, mga 7:20 na dadating si Hazel. Ayan, ayaw nga! Dapat nilabas mo! Matutuwa si Brigiding
Ayan,
dyan.
ano nanganyan kayo?
Oo, meron!
Sabi sa'yo, fans.
The shade.
It's the, legit yan ha?
Merch
Legit
talaga
merch.
yan.
Merch,
Ayan,
merch.
guys.
Yan.
Legit merch. And from Mike Ferrer, ang question, free ka ba mamaya? Tapos ang sagot mo, yes. Thanks to the men and women who died fighting for rather our freedom. I'm free later, tomorrow, and hopefully until the end of my days.
Okay.
Wow.
Bayani.
Ikaw
Shout
na.
out sa mga bayani dyan.
Ang intense, di ba? There you go. So, sige, so
Galaban.
before we wrap this up, I have one question for Brigading.
Okay.
Ito, hindi yung because magaling or because ano. Pero, give one for local and one for international. Who's your favorite drag queen?
Favorite queen ko, local.
Favorite,
is
kahit yung hindi na necessarily pinakamagaling. Yung lang, ikaw.
Precious Paula
mo.
Nicole.
Talaga?
Sobrang sarap
Wow.
katrabaho. Ang dali. Sobrang GV. But when on
Actually.
stage, talagang may inspire ka to be like her. Sobrang galing. Sobrang bait. The heart of the Philippine drag talaga.
Actually.
Precious. Yeah.
And international?
International, Alisa Edwards.
Oh!
Mother!
Black Rose!
Oo nga.
Mother.
Alam mo,
Yeah.
nakakatuwa siya talaga.
Oo. Nung di ba pinanood natin? Yes.
And Del, if you were to choose a favorite Philippine radio host, and why is it Chico?
Actually, may tanong kay Del.
Oh, ano?
Okay.
So paano kayo nagbate? Ay, dami tatanong eh.
Abangan.
Oo.
Sa susunod.
Ano
sa
yun?
pagbabalik na.
Hindi, tsaka yun, dapat
Exclusivo.
pagsasagutin namin yun, dapat ticketed.
Ay, kami mag-host.
May live
Alam mo,
audience.
QR code. QR code.
Ay, oo,
Sige,
oo
sige.
ba? Can we just say na Del was gagged? Na hinuhut-hutan na natin yung mga listeners ngayon ng Coffee Fund.
Ayun
We
na,
were telling
sabi
her
nila,
about
we
it."
will pay for that.
Alam mo, ang buhay, maiksi.
Oh.
Pag tumatanda ka, you understand that Ay. Ayaw niya. No, you really understand that time is precious. And so don't waste it on grudges.
Yeah.
And diba, even like you said, even the stuff that was so hard, it ended up being, pushing you to. So go with the flow. If it's time to be okay, it's time to be okay. Ano to? I don't know this.
It's
Hindi,
a clapping.
dapat kasi
Good
may,
applause.
dapat may long nails kayo.
I see.
Imbis na
With
clap.
acrylic.
Mahirap kasi
Yes.
mag-clap.
Okay,
Humaba
okay.
ang-
I
But-
see.
So the girls or the gays do it.
Well, but Chico has a different meaning.
Stop! Marky! Off air!
Mas malagkit yung meaning niya.
Para malaman nila, kailangan
Literal na
ticketed.
Ticketed. Oo.
Kung may last
Ticketed.
night out, si Boys
Ticketed.
Night
Oh,
Out.
meron din
tayo
tayo.
may last
Guest
morning
performer,
out.
Brigading.
Guest performer.
Oh,
Sige,
diba?
sige.
And
Ano?
yung sa amin,
Produce na natin yan.
last morning out, pero drag brunch.
Tapos si Marky a-attend as my delivery girl.
Naka-drag.
I'll attend as Dua.
There you go. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And have once again, could you just invite them for tomorrow and Sunday?
Guys, between Maningning, my fashion showcase sa Doña Narcisa Ancestral House, tickets are available between maningning.wink.net. Check my socials, may performances, may mga snacks and drinks, and I will be there to
Uy,
walk you through.
kailan babalik ang Brigading the Brand?
Yeah. Yan yung susunod naming pagtatrabahuhan. Next year, online on my YouTube.
And of course, check out our little music video of Wicked. If you watch Wicked now in any cinema, Brigading and Precious Paula are actually front and center, and we're singing For Good with all the Awiting Wicked winners. So every time you watch Wicked, you will see our music video right before.
Wow.
So, and we're there as special participants because we hosted the Wicked premiere in Singapore. So, representing the Philippines, Pinoy pride at its finest.
That's so
Ginawa niyo, no?
cool.
Thank you very much.
Taray. Thank you so
thank
Thank
you
you,
so
everyone,
much.
for having me. Thank you. I hope to be back soon. Thank you.
You're a winner,
Bless
baby.
you.
You're a winner.
Thank you.
We're all winners. We have
all
Del
winners.
and Brigading today.
All the
2 winners.
listeners, grabe, win na win kayo today, guys.
Oh,
Super.
exactly.
And maybe
Now,
there's part 2.
Oo nga. Magaan na tayo ng QR for that, ha? Dedicated QR. But there you go. That's the show for today. Thank you so much for joining us.
That
Now
was wild.
we're gonna try to catch the
was
last few minutes of Miss Universe.
Yeah. Wait,
Well,
sorry, one more thing.
ano?
They want to hear talk about love.
Ay,
Ay!
sa Wednesday na lang.
Alam mo, Marky, kukurutin ka sa sine.
Abuso ka na! Halika dito!
I'm ready. Just kidding.
Never mind.
Wag ka
I
mag-
don't know where that's been.
Everywhere.
Oh, we do.
We'll tell you.
We'll
How
tell
much
you
time do you
off
have?
air.
We can give you a list.
Oh my God. But yes, we'll be back on Monday. I will be back tonight for Countdown Top 7 from 7 to 8. But stick around for the Deep Dish with Aubrey. That is up next. Here's something from Tyla to finish today's show. Chanel, only on the Monster. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.
Paalam. Thank you.